guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Stacy E. Today's video is just like a try on. I have to try this. I've never done this myself before. So it's eyelashes. So I'm trying to fix the individual eyelashes. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, let's see if I can pull it out. Okay, so this is my first time trying to fix individual eyelashes. Pause the eyelashes. Okay, this is very short. This is the shortest one, I guess. This is the shortest one. This is the shortest one. And so I'm using air glue is like this. Okay. Honestly, I had tweezer, but my friend, I don't want to mention her name, okay? She knows herself. She collected it from me, so this is the one I'm using. Let's see if I can survive this, okay? But I'll give it a try. At this point, I realized the odds are against me because this glue is already caking off. Okay. Let's see if I can salvage it. Losing most of the eyelashes because they ended up falling off, and I couldn't find them because they were so little. Scoop it with the mascara if they will see any changes. I'm just gonna pretend tonight like my eyelashes are bomb, you know. But me and you know, like, this is not the move, okay? So I'm going to hang out with my friends this evening, but I know I'm gonna be the butt of the joke for tonight. But it's okay because I know next time there will be an improvement, okay? So let's just pretend like my eyelashes are bomb right now, okay? Like they are all that, okay? Let's just pretend that eyelashes are all that, like they are on point. Like I purposely left it like this, but me and you know, me and you know, like it's a disaster. And that concludes the disastrous video. Just consider to subscribe, all right? There are more videos coming, not this one, all right? The next one will be more. The next one there will be an improvement, I promise. The next, if I should say, share this video. Okay, share this video, like, and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe, all right? See you on my next video. Bye.